It is important to pay attention to tenant rents at the beginning of each month. This way you can keep track of who is delinquent. Remember, rent is due on the 1st of each month, but tenants will not receive any late fees until the 6th. You can pull up a report of who has yet to pay through Appfolio. Just go to the Reporting tab on the left and click Reports. Then click Delinquencies. You can customize the report to show the properties that you personally manage. This will give you a list of all of your delinquent tenants. Now that you have a list with all of your delinquent tenants, you can start making courtesy reminder calls. Do this by calling each tenant on the list with a friendly reminder that rent is due. If the tenant does not pick up, be sure to also send an email. Remember to do these steps before the 5th of the month. That way, on the 5th, you can get your notices out. If it is now the 5th and there are still tenants that have not paid, be sure to deliver a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. You can find the 3-day notices on the CAA website by going to My Account, Online Forms, and then searching for the 3-day notice form. Once you have filled out your 3-day notices, you can deliver them by sending one copy out through the mail, as well as by posting one copy to the door of the rental. Now you have completed the delinquency process and have taken all of the proper steps to deal with tenants that have not paid their rent.